Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by opening your image in Photoshop and making a duplicate layer for safety. Use Image Auto Tone or Auto Color to get a fast baseline correction. Next, open levels from Image Adjustments or an adjustment layer for non-destructive edits. Click the black eyedropper on the deepest shadow, the white eyedropper on the brightest highlight, and the gray eyedropper on a neutral area. Each eyedropper helps neutralize color cast across shadows, midtones, and highlights. Work in 16-bit when possible to preserve color detail and avoid banding. For tricky casts, use the gray eyedropper on a known neutral target to remove midtone color cast. If no neutral exists, sample a near-neutral area and adjust sliders manually for the best result. Open Color Balance or Selective Color to tweak cyan, magenta, and yellow values targeted to shadows, midtones, and highlights. Use Camera Raw's White Balance tool for quick temperature and tint shifts on raw files or smart objects. Subtle changes of 5 to 15 units often yield natural results without overcorrection. Check before and after at 100% magnification for accuracy. When basic tools fail, switch to Lab mode and adjust the A and B channels independently. Lab lets you reduce green or magenta shifts without affecting luminosity significantly. For selective fixes, use adjustment layers and add layer masks to confine corrections precisely. Paint with a soft brush at 50% opacity to blend corrections naturally into surrounding tones. Protect skin tones by sampling skin and excluding that range with a luminosity or color mask. Finally, soft-proof and export using the correct profile to avoid reintroducing color cast on output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.